guys, it's Stream of Glitter, Chelsea once again, and today's video is just basically an unboxing. So, Fizz Fairy actually held a contest, and me and one other person have won, and I never win anything, ever. Like, I try, and it's just not my luck. But apparently, luck was on my side this time, and I actually won something. So, let's open her up. And it's really popping, so they really pack it good. Hang on, before I continue, I gotta get my phone. Okay. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about my supplier. I love her. I love them. They were the best company. That happened. They were the best company I have ever bought anything off of so far, and the customer service is amazing. The group is awesome. I just love their stuff, and it's been really helpful for like my business, and it is amazing. Amazing. Okay. Why is this not opening? Okay, anyway. Okay. Are you going to open box? Having a little bit of an issue. Whoa. That's really pretty. Hang on, guys. Okay, let's carefully unwrap this. Making sure there's nothing in any of it. I think this is just packaging. Oh my god. It's actually a box with a ribbon! Wow! Okay. I just realized I don't know if I have any garbage bags. I do. Just sadly one left, so I have to get more. Because unfortunately... No, wait. These are biodegradable. I don't need a garbage bag. Well, maybe I do. I'll just put them... I dealt with shipping companies I deal with biodegradable peanuts, and I really like them because they're efficient and they're easier to work with. So I'm just gonna put them all in the pile. Okay, I'm gonna try and lift it out, and hopefully, okay, I think that's it. Sorry, I was talking to someone about this, and they would like pictures. Okay. Okay, which way does it open? Because it doesn't really matter. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ooh. La la la. Uh-oh. Oh wow, they really knotted it, but lucky for me, I dealt with shoelaces my whole life. So, I know what to do. Oh, I feel like that one scene from Lady and the Tramp when she opens the ribbon or the box and out comes a dog. Okay, now let's figure out how to open this. Oh, it's this way. Okay, here we go. I'm so happy to see you. Love is in the air. Oh my god. Now I'm definitely taking a picture of this. Nom, 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 nom. Okay. Oh, my little girl is here. Don't play with that bag. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I gotta take pictures before I show you guys. Okay, here we go. Hang on. Fragrance oils, molds, and colorants. Oh my god. No, wait. Hang on. Okay. Okay. Where are my lovely scissors? I really gotta sniff these oils. It's a must for me every time I get them. I don't care if I already had them before. I love smelling my oils. Okay, how do we... I have this issue all the time too, but it's fine. Okay, this one's scented in Coach Love. I do not know what that is. Oh. Yep. Yep. That's, oh man. You know what? Hold on, guys. Girls, do you want to play with a ribbon? No? Okay, walk away then. Paris Amour. I don't know what that's supposed to smell like. That one I can definitely smell some amber musk. I would have to look it up though, just to clarify, because I am not making a product and claiming, oh, this smells like this. This smells like that. I would like to get my scents in order. Oh my gosh. There we go. Wow. It smells kind of like a little bit fruity, but it also smells like one of those fancy perfume bottles. Okay. This one says, oh, I always wanted one of these. It's a love potion, and it's like the most popular scent known to women or men. Well, to anyone, honestly, but I really had my eye on this for a really long time, and I was too scared to make the jump. Oh man, I'm going to be making phone calls. Okay, I think I got the bottom. Yep, I got the bottom. Nope. Nope. I did not. Okay. One more sniff. It smells kind of like one of my old bath bombs that I used to make. And I don't remember what I used to make with this scent. All he needs is space. I used to make all he needs is space. It's a blue, bright blue, dark blue bath bomb. And it was scented in that. That's what I smell. But all I need is space, or he came from space, sorry. It's from a long time ago that's been discontinued. Hearts. Look at these. I mean, I meant to say lips. Wow. This is awesome. Wait, what's this? It's a tin heart. She put candy in this. Oh. Don't get me wrong. Candy is nice. But I can't figure out what kind of candy it is. Ever. It's shaped like little maple. I get them all the time. Okay, we're going to put that there. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, because it's a metal tin, so I'm going to have to figure that out later. Hey, sweetheart. Hey. I love you. But Mommy's trying to make a video and take out things from my box. She got all saucy with me. Okay. Let's put that there. Okay. Magical glitter called Red Hearts. Sorry, I'm opening everything. This is part 2 of what I do when I get anything. I literally open everything. Oh, wow. I think you can put this in bath bombs. I'm not that positive. Hang on. Let me do some research real quick. Yeah, you can put it in bath bombs. Oh my god. So this currently looks pale currently. But the second it hits water, it becomes this magical beast. And I'm just sitting here like, wow. Oh my god. I can use it in bubble bars, soaps, salts, whips. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep it coming. Peachy red dye. Oh. I didn't know this color existed. I'm gonna try this out. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try this out because I have an expo coming up, guys. And I am trying to get new product in. And I'm just sitting here like, yes. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at all that glitter. If you hear that noise, I apologize. That's just my daughter, my cat. I call my cats my daughters because they're... Sorry, I thought I heard a noise. First crush mica. Oh, man. Oh, if you guys don't know this, I'm putting everything on the side of my table. So. Holographic glitter. Oh my god. Look at that holo, girls and boys. Sorry, I'm sort of a holo fan. Are these organza bags? They smell kind of weird though. Oh my god, there's a lot in here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 of these little, I think they're muslin bags. I'm not that positive. They feel kind of rough. They don't feel soft, but I'll figure out what I'm going to use them for because I got 6 of them. Let's see what else I got. I think I'm done with my scissors. I feel a mold. Oh, it says love! All you need is love. All you need is love. Wow. Okay, what's this one? Oh, I feel another mold. Oh my god, it's a heart air balloon. Bum, 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 bum. Now, I think that's everything. Yep, that's everything. Wow. I'm just going to take a quick picture. Wow. That's a really good thing. And oh, it's a subscription. It's a subscription. Right, it's a subscription box. This is my first box I ever got as a subscription, so now I'm thinking about doing more of them. This was fun. It felt like a birthday for me. Wow. Well, now I really gotta... I'm just gonna fold this up. Put it back in the box. Wow, I would love to thank Fizz Fairy Crazy Colors Canada for this opportunity to be a contestant and a winner. I love it all. Like, wow. Although I got garbage now. But, yeah, that's pretty amazing, even though I don't know what to do with this tin can yet. Everything else I do know. Well, I should probably get going. Feel free to subscribe later, folks. But I do have to get going because the kitties are going at it, and I don't think you guys want to hear about that. So, bye-bye.